We've got a new year, some new numbers, so let's see what December was cooking up in the real estate market. And first up, let's look at those transactions. So you can see here in our transactions that we're actually up 11.5%, which is going against the trend we've been seeing for the last couple of months, where it's felt a lot lower, or it's even been in the negative, the amount of transactions happening. And we can see that even in the seasonally adjusted, so looking month to month between November and December, we saw a big spike in the amount of transactions that were happening. So places weren't sitting as long as they were before, and that's going to reflect in some of our other numbers. And the selling price is one of those. We've seen the selling price consistently stay around the 1 to 3% increase side of things. So even though things feel slow, the prices aren't saying that. They're staying up at about 3.2% year over year. And then if you look at the seasonally adjusted, same deal, 2.2% between November and December, which is basically what we had between October and November. So it's been a steady increase, even though people feel that it's been moving towards a buyer's market. And some numbers might have indicated that before, but it's certainly not looking that way now, because when you look at the total new listings, we're down 6.6%. So it means there's not a lot of options out there right now for people to pick from, for people to decide if this isn't the right place, let's go look at another one. There just isn't a lot of places out there right now, unfortunately, for people to make that kind of decision. And that has affected our sales to new listings ratio. This guy's telling us whether we're in a buyer's or seller's market, below 40 buyers, above 60 sellers. And now we are sitting at an 89% listing ratio. So that means that places are moving quick usually. It means that they're not sitting for 2-3 weeks like they were a month ago. Even a couple of weeks ago, it felt like places were sitting a long time. But the numbers for December are telling us that right now we've moved back into a seller's market because there's not a lot of options for the buyers right now. So it's making it difficult for people to have options out there. So places are selling quicker. So those are some numbers for the beginning of the year. Let's buckle up and see what the rest of the year brings us.